Android is under constant attack and older versions are far more vulnerable than new ones. Way too many smartphones vendors still don't issue Google's monthly Android security patches in timely fashion or at all. And zero-day attacks still pop up. So what can you do to protect yourself? A lot actually. Here are my 6 top ways to keep you and your Android devices safe from hackers. That sounds interesting. Let's hop into it. First, lock your phone. I know it's so simple, but people still don't do it. Trust me, you are more likely to get into trouble by pickpocket snatching your phone and running wild with your credit card account than you from malware. Second, use two-factor authentication. While you are securing your phone, let's lock down your Google services as well. The best way of doing this is with Google on two-factor authentications. Third, only use apps from the Google Play Store. Seriously, the vast majority of Android malwares come from unreliable third-party application sources. Sure, bogus apps make it into the Google Play Store from time to time, like the ones which message premium rate text services, but they are exception, not the rule. Use device encryption. The next person who want to snoop in your phone may not be a crook, but a US Customs and Border Protection agent. If that idea creeps you out, you can put a roadblock in their way with encryption. That may land you in hot water with Homeland Security, but it is your call. To encrypt your device, go to Settings, Security Encrypt Device, and follow the prompts. Fifth, use a virtual private network. If you are on the road, whether it is your local coffee shop or the remote office, you are going to want to use free Wi-Fi. We all do. We all take big chances when we do since they tend of be as secure as a net built out of thread. To make yourself safer, you will want to use a mobile virtual private network or VPN. Sixth, password management. Now Google comes with one built-in, but if you don't want to put all your security eggs in one cloud basket, you can use other password management programs. The best of bunch are LastPass, OnePassword, and Dashlane.